Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an email urgent in Microsoft Outlook. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you already have your account set up. If you do not have one, do well to click on this create a free account option over here, or you can go through Microsoft Outlook to navigate through the kind of plan you want to go for. Read through all of this information to be certain of the kind of plan you want to buy. Now, when you've done that, you would already have your account displayed on your screen. If you do not want to buy an account and you already have yours on your PC, head over to the sign in option, click on that, and then it will navigate you through the process of getting signed into your Microsoft Outlook. Now, on this page, you want to input your email address. When you go to the next option here, you have to input your phone numbers, passwords, and whatever other information that will be required of you. And when you're done, just quickly head over to your Outlook profile. Now, in today's video, I want to quickly show you how to make an email urgent in Outlook. Now, there are several reasons why people would want to make their email out in Outlook urgent. One is to help grab attention quickly. It helps to communicate the priority of that particular message clearly. It helps with deadlines, and it helps to track particular mails. Now, to show you how to achieve that, we want to head over to our new email option, which you can see on my screen over here. Now, you want to click on that and then type in the mail you want to send. After you're done doing all of that, when you're done typing your mail, include the sender you want to send this mail to, add a subject, and then head over to the top pane over here where you have all of these options listed. Now you want to click on this exclamation mark that is in red. As you can see, the option says set this item as high priority. When I click on that, it appears over here on my mail, and when I'm done, I'll just quickly send this mail. All right, and as you can see, this mail is set as high priority, and I have been able to send this to my recipient. So whenever they see this mail, they know that it is high priority and they should respond to it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make an email urgent in Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, see you. Bye for now.